Hey everyone, welcome back to Flair. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2026 Nissan Pathfinder, a bold evolution of this iconic family SUV. Nissan has pushed the Pathfinder even further, blending rugged capability with modern tech and a sleek design that makes it stand out on the road. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Pathfinder gets a refreshed look that feels more muscular and dynamic. The front grille is larger and more aggressive, with sharp LED headlights that wrap around the sides, giving it a commanding presence. The sculpted body lines and redesigned wheels add to the SUV's adventurous spirit, while the rear sports updated taillights and a more refined bumper design. It's clear that Nissan wants the Pathfinder to make a statement. Under the hood, the 2026 Pathfinder sticks with a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering around 284 horsepower and 259 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, this SUV offers a great balance of power and efficiency. Nissan's intelligent 4WD system remains, giving drivers the confidence to tackle everything from city streets to off-road trails. And with multiple drive modes, including mud, sand, and snow, the Pathfinder is ready for whatever adventure lies ahead. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more upscale than ever. The materials are high quality, with soft touch surfaces and available quilted leather seats that elevate the experience. The layout is clean and intuitive, with a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.9-inch infotainment screen taking center stage. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the available Bose premium sound system makes every drive feel like a private concert. Space remains a priority, with seating for up to 8 passengers and plenty of room to stretch out. The second row offers captain's chairs as an option, adding extra comfort for long journeys, and the third row is surprisingly spacious. Plus, Nissan has added more clever storage solutions and USB-C ports throughout the cabin, ensuring everyone stays connected and comfortable. Safety is also a top priority, with Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite of features coming standard. You get automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control, all working together to keep you and your passengers protected. The 2026 Pathfinder is a thoughtful blend of style, power, and practicality. Whether you're hauling the family to a weekend getaway or navigating your daily commute, this SUV has you covered. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Pathfinder. Is it everything you hoped for? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews right here on Flair.